Hello and welcome to another ACY Securities daily report video. My name is Alistair Schultz and I'm going to be your host through today's trading journey. Now another video for you guys to have a think about today is on OPEC. Of course I'm going to be talking about oil, but my expectations for oil have been well documented the last couple of weeks. I've done a couple of blogs and a couple of videos on what I'm expecting to see on the 4th of March this year. Now naturally that's their next meeting for OPEC Plus to occur. There has been a glut of crude that we saw there in 2020, and that is vanishing very, very quickly. When we see what's happened in the US with the snow sort of situation and the winter weather, but we've also got much more demand than what we were seeing at the beginning of last year. Now, the big question is really whether or not OPEC is going to increase those outputs on the 4th of March. Now, regardless, I am actually expecting them to reverse some of the cuts that they've been holding very stringently over the past 12 months. But I'm unclear as to how much these increases might actually be. Naturally, if there is a shortfall in oil, we're going to see a price surge. So if those cuts aren't adequate enough to allow people to produce enough oil out there and get out and meet the demand, then we are going to see prices continue above the $60 mark like they are now. Of course, you have the opposite. Should we increase that ability to produce oil too much, then we could see price actually collapse very, very quickly. If all of a sudden they would decide we're going to increase output by 3 million barrels per day per country, naturally expect a fall. So we have two sides of this oil equation to really look at. Be prepared for either one to go, and let's keep an eye on what we're seeing from officials before the 4th of March. Naturally, the 4th of March is going to be a big day for oil, so have your oil thinking caps on when you get to that day. Now, if there's anything from today's video you would like to get in contact with me about, please feel free to reach out via any of my social media channels. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so you get more great content from me and ACY Securities in the future. Have a great trading day ahead.